Hey everyone, Trey with Texas Property Management Partners. I have a great surprise for you. We are bringing on a Barndominium on 40 acres of land. So if you are looking to rent a place that has a workshop and a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property on 40 acres, it is super quiet. We're out in the Pattison area, which is just west of Katy, maybe 20 minutes. So lots of things to be excited here. So the first thing we've got right here is a nice covered patio that wraps around to the front side of the property. You see you've got plenty of parking space here. Inside the workshop, if you've got a trailer, you can place it in there. You know, I'd put maybe 4 cars out here. You know, it's only a 3-bedroom property, so you can't get too many, but this is a great little slice of heaven out here in Texas. All right, so here is the living room with the kitchen combo. The owner is getting a refrigerator, so that will be here this week. Other than that, the appliances are new. You can tell it's got the shaker style cabinets, granite countertops. Everything's been kind of updated out here. First bedroom, good size. Got a good size closet there as well. It comes with an alarm system. Bathroom, it's got a large shower in it as well, which is really cool. And then on the other side of the house, this is the largest bedroom in the property. So this is a really good size. It's got to be at least like 14, 15 by 13. AC controller, large walk-in closet. And then bedroom number 3 here. Definitely see like your kids being here. Another good size walk-in. Washer dryer pieces, wash sink. You can put folding table. You can probably put even a deep freezer over here. It's a good size spot. But one of the greatest parts of this house is the workshop. So you've got your openings and just so much space here. It's really impressive. I mean, it actually has me inspired to like build a lot of stuff out here. You can put tons of machinery work in here. If you like working on your truck, lots of space, pull it in, get it done. So anyway, if you're looking for more information on this property, give us a call, 800-833-8330. Find us online at Texas Property Management Partners, the best property management company in Katy. All right.